This quick video is about how to open Street View on Apple Maps on any iPhone and iPads. Okay, let's see. First, open Apple Maps and search for the place you want to go. I type New York Times Square. Then you will see this little binocular and image. Just tap that. That's it. Now you open the Street View on Apple Maps. Here you can resize the image like this. And here you can exactly see where you're standing right now. And if you move, the Street View also moves parallelly. Like this. And if you want to know more tips and tricks, quick videos about Apple Maps means, watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.